Two ideas for Archie Films. We're going to be recording this one together, but we wanted to show him another option as well that he could create all on his own. And this is another option that you could create Archie Films, where you have a nice big A and films on the bottom. So we're going to jump in on Canva and create a logo. And for today, we're trying Photoshop for the very first time. Join me. You're going to create a blank canvas. And once your canvas has created, you're then going to change the background and make it black. Then you're going to click on elements and you're going to look for the shape, the square shape, and you change the color of that and make it white. You're going to size it. Then you're going to go to your lines and shapes and look for your triangle. Change color of that and make that white. Rotate it so that it creates a shape that looks like that. Then you're going to press L for line. You're going to create a line that is rounded at the end, and you're going to make the color of your line white. And you reduce the size of your line and make it a really thin line so that it goes all the way to the end of the box, and you're creating your box like that. Duplicate that with a Control or Command C and create it at the bottom of the page, and duplicate that to have your side and close your box. Then you're going to press T for text and you add text. Then you change your text to Lovelo line and you make the size of your text to be a 60 size. We're going to change color and make it red, and we're going to make it bold as well. So now we're going to write the name of the company. You're going to go back to your elements and you're going to add a film strip. So you're going to search for film strip because this is a channel that works with films or that shares films. Then I thought we could add a nice free film strip like this one. And then you're going to look for a circle. And we're going to add more text to finish off our design. So we're going to change this and call it film because that's the name of the channel. It's Archie Films. So what you would then do now is you're going to lay over a black on some of this F lines. You're then going to create an L or press an L to create a line. And then you're going to make your line a little bit slimmer, and you're going to select the round end points, and then you're going to move your line to be exactly on top of the F. You play around with it until you're comfortable and you're happy, but there's your logo. So we're going to download it, and I'm going to try something new today. I want us to go to Photoshop instead of Photo P, and let's see how it looks like using Photoshop. To convert your 2D logo that you created on Canva to a 3D logo using Photoshop, you're going to find your PSD logo mockup, and you're going to double click on it, and Photoshop is going to open up. We're going to double click where it says your logo here, and we're going to go find our logo that we've created, and we're going to save it on top of this logo here. So I'm going to go to my recent or my downloads. I've taken off the white background and it looks like that, and it covers the whole thing. Then I'm going to press enter, and then I'm going to go to where it says your logo, and I'm going to delete that. And then I'm going to go File on Photoshop, and I'm going to save. And then it saves as a smart object. Then you're going to click where it says your futuristic or your logo, and then it looks like that. That is cool. Then you can export it in the way that you want. I just wanted to show you how we do it on Photoshop, because we usually do Photo P. You just export it as a quick PNG and it looks like that. I've done a full-on course when it comes to Canva, covering all sorts of information when it comes to logos. Visit my website learnwithza.com. Register for the course. I will see you on the next one.